Morning folks, Shane.Timmons with Guaranty RV. Today looking at the 27.5L Arctic Fox. Their best-selling floor plan, only 29 feet. So I've been running into a lot of people here lately. They're not looking for the big monster, but they want quality. This is the one. Starts off the MoRide hitch, best in class. Acts like a shock absorber on there, so it takes a lot of the brace moving around off your truck. It is generator prepped with the diamond plate. I'm going to go kind of quick, guys, so if you have questions, feel free to call me. I'll leave my name, number, and email at the end here. You have 2 spots for your propane, and it's bigger than the 7.5 gallons, so it's one of the best in class. Well, I do like the fact they put them both on one side. Makes it a little more convenient. Right here is part of the pass-through, and you have a bigger spot on the other side. Right next to the door here, one thing I find about these manufacturers, they put what they're really proud of right next to the door. So one, it's a 4-season coach. So built here in Oregon, for Oregon, actually targeted into Canada. I could spend an hour talking to you about Ron Nash and his intention with this coach. In a nutshell, he wanted to build the best elk hunting rig he could possibly muster up, and it all springboarded from there. Also, they build their own chassis. It's an off-road, third-party certified chassis. Nobody else even comes close. In the past, he tried to sub it out, have different distributors put the chassis together for them so they could get a little more mainstream. Just couldn't find anybody to do it to their standards. So all in-house on these guys. So this particular layout is a rear kitchen. So everything is in the corner here. Start off with a very big pantry on a smaller coach. And if you notice, you have shelving for days. So, nice deep shelf, all real wood, all screwed into a metal backer. Over a 250-pound capacity combined. They don't cut corners on this coach. You don't find particle board or nails or staples or glues. And the same thing around here, you use the solid surface Corian with plenty of storage underneath and nice big deep drawers. I mean, look at the size of that drawer, just the top drawer. And if you look in here, again, all real wood, 75-pound capacity on each drawer. Got the Convection Microwave, so you can microwave or do your baking off electricity, and you can bake off the propane with a 3-burner stove. Nice, real backsplash, not a sticker. It's actual material there. This one has the Northwood freezer refrigerator, 8 cubic foot. So anywhere they could possibly put a shelf, and I know that's important, and they know it too, so they really focus their area on putting something, you can store something anywhere in the coach and actually putting a door on it. So table and chair section here. Thomas Paine reclining chairs here, which is opposed to your TV. So you can kick back, get a straight on vision of your TV. This has a little leaf in it. So you can get up to 6 people at the table if you need to. Little storage in here. Real nice oak table. Right here, if you're wondering what this thing is blinking at us, that is a charging station. It has a solar panel on the top. So once again, 4-season coach. You can put a generator in this coach. You have a solar panel to trickle charge the batteries. It's definitely the one to go dry camp if you choose. Up in here we have a wardrobe slide out. So the bed Has its own nightstands, its own lighting, own plug-ins, USB ports, and you have a remote control for right above you. Here is a fantastic fan, rain sensitive. Really nice, dual directional, best in the industry. Everybody has a CPAP these days, so I think that's why they're staying with the nightstand effect, and I really like that. You got a nice big pillow top mattress under here. Again, these guys do a phenomenal job all the way around, and you have storage underneath. Now, something that these guys do is kind of a signature move. They give you the Arctic Fox lawn chairs. You know, you can get coats, hats, stuff that's very unique that you won't find in a store. Anyway, the name kind of speaks for itself. I'm Shane.Timmons. If you'd like to talk or make an appointment, give me a call, 503-707-2393, or you can email me and we can set up a time. I've got great inventory right now. We're getting ready to go into the season, so we've stocked up and we're ready to go. Give us a call.